Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dairy door in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dairy door. This dairy door is mounted on the top of the fresh food door. The main reason to replace the dairy door is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the dairy door, we need to push it in on one side to free this hinge here, the pin hinge. And now we can slide it out. This is the old dairy door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new dairy door, we need to place these two openings over these two pins. You can call hinges. I'm going to start on the right side. If you prefer, you can start on the left side, and I'm going to push it in and let go. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.